Hello and welcome to today's Ideas Foundry, 29th of February 2020. I don't know if you can see outside, but it's snowing here in the UK. You see the snow? I love the snow. Right, okay. So today's idea is called the one prop drone slash plane, or unmanned aircraft for cargo or pilots. People. Okay, so the one prop drone literally uses one propeller, not four. Well, there is a magic that happens to enable that. Okay, so plan view of this one prop drone. We have the propeller in the middle, which could be this big for a personal drone, or it could be 20 feet across for a manned or cargo aircraft. Cab at the front for cargo or people, retractable wings, perhaps to reduce power consumption for long durations of lateral flight. And to counterbalance the cab cargo is the engine at the rear, which could be a combustion engine to drive the fan, or it could be batteries to drive an electric fan. Okay, there we have it. So how are you thinking? Okay, one fan in the middle, it may take off, but how is it going to maintain attitude, pitch, roll, move forward, move backwards? How is that magic going to happen? Well, I suppose the magic happens by the use of directing the airflow from that one propeller. If you can see that. So first I thought of, well, there's a cab, there's the engine, you can have a prop at the back to provide better forward momentum if you wanted to, but maybe not for a personal drone, obviously wings there. So first I thought of having retractable doors above the fan to restrict airflow coming down, which would then enable obviously attitude control as for props do on a current drone. But I thought that would be a waste of energy, blocking the airflow to the fan like that. So I took a day after, I thought of 4 sort of barn doors. Each barn door is able to move like that, swing around. So if a barn door moves in, for example, as it's shown there in the diagram, it would direct the airflow down and then across. So the airflow would come down and then across. So that direction of the airflow would be essentially the same as having 4 props, because you can direct the downward airflow in any 4 directions, being as there's 4 barn doors on each side of the fan. And there we have it. Obviously you have to be variably activating depending on the attitude control of the aircraft. And that's the one prop drone slash plane. Obviously with only having one prop and a few simple barn doors, far fewer points of failure, cheaper to manufacture, less complex, and one larger prop is obviously more power efficient than 4 small props, or even more than 4. Jeez. Okay, there we have it.